3 cards today for our reading, and look at that, 3 birds. I think Spirit is talking to us. We start with Crow. When Crow swoops into your life, you're reminded to be fearless, bold, brash, and alert. And then Wren, who is Dawn's herald, reminds you to take joy in small things and encourages the positive use of cunning to achieve your goals, and takes the power and reminds you of the power of humility. And finally, Hawk, your hunting partner, calls for courage, brings clear vision and focus, and reminds you not to get triggered by your emotions, to step back and rely on clear thought and logic. 3 birds today, bringing us strong messages from Spirit.